Hi, I'm Kerri Hollywood. Welcome to another Teach Me Tuesday. I have such a fast and easy recipe for you, and there's a lot of uses for it. So what I call it is cauliflower soup and sauce. I'll show you how to make it. So this is why I love this cauliflower soup and sauce. It really is a thick, nutritious soup, but I use it as a sauce on so many other things. So for example, you can make naan pizzas or your homemade pizza and use this as the base instead of red pasta sauce. You can put it on pasta as your very own white Alfredo sauce, or you can pour it on top of chicken, stir-fried vegetables. I love it poured on rice, your favorite kind of rice. And of course, still one of my favorite ways is to have it just as is with a little bit of feta cheese. So try this recipe at home. It's easy and versatile. You're gonna love it. Remember to keep watching these videos at PSP Kingston. Subscribe below. PSP Kingston, the health and wellness provider for the military community.